This is a 2020
Harley Davidson Ultra Limited.
This is virtually a new bike. It only has
513 original miles on the odometer.
The color is vivid black. This bike is in like new showroom
Condition. There's just not a mark on it.
The backstory on this
2020 Harley Ultra Limited is that the original owner
went and traded it in at a BMW dealership. Apparently he wasn't satisfied with riding a Harley
and wanted a Beamer.
His loss, your gain. This bike is just in beautiful condition. Being the 2020 model, it's equipped
with a 114 cubic inch engine, 6-speed transmission, so it has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you down
the highway, over the hills, with you and your passenger and all your gear. Plenty of power to pull out and pass. That's LED lights for the headlight, the driving lights, LED lights on the TourPak. This bike has a lot of visibility. Of course, it has cruise control, heated grips, traction control. It has the new GTS BOOM stereo that has navigation, Bluetooth. Has a hidden compartment right here where you can put your phone or your iPod and plug it into the system, charge it, integrate all your music, or you can Bluetooth it in. You can operate it with the hand controls and with the touchscreen. Nice 6-gallon tank. So you have plenty of range. Nice, big, comfortable seat for not only the rider, but for the passenger. Smart security system with a key fob, a couple of keys. Just an absolutely beautiful bike. Now in the TourPak, it does have a 12-volt power point. Plug in your devices. Also comes with a single Harley Davidson headset that plugs in. Lots of room to store your gear. Nice chrome Harley Davidson luggage rack. This bike is completely stock, so it's ready for you to make it into whatever you'd like it to be. Your exhaust, any chrome pieces you'd like to put on it, make it yours. It does have the Milwaukee 8 engine, which is a really quiet engine compared to the twin cams. Liquid cooling into the heads. ABS brakes. Nice Harley wheels, front and rear. Davidson Ultra Limited, take a real good look at this 2020. It is virtually a new bike with only 513 miles. We have this bike priced to sell. Save yourself a wheelbarrow full of money over buying a new one. Don't get stuck paying all the dealer setup fees and freight fees and all the bogus dock fees. Call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Our prices are out
The door. Save yourself some money. Get yourself a virtually new Harley Davidson Ultra Limited.
Thank you.